Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you how to make the garden hat, or can be hat when you wear in the summer. This fabric is so beautiful. So you use the most like light color. It's good for the summer. So I have cut in here 25 inches square piece. This is with the wider rim. But if you want to make it smaller, in my description box will share with you how to change into different size. This one, when you sit down and do some garden work, it will cover your neck, or you go to the beach or anything. So I have cut two of the 25 inches square. This is the right side. I'm going to the back. When I cut together. I'm using fabric marker, but when I wash it, it will be disappear. So after the 25 inches circle mark, I'm going to mark the second one of 6.5 inches. This is for the second circle where I can sew the pocket for the elastic. I mark now, so later on I don't have to mark, but if you want, you can wait until when you sew the circle and then you can mark. It's all up to you, but my marker, when I draw the line, it will show later on. And from here, you're gonna go up 1/2 inch. From this small circle here, you're gonna go up 1/2 inch. Go and mark just like what I do. Very easy, everyone. I'm gonna go and cut this out. That is half of the circle. I'm gonna take this out this way. Going out 6.5 on this side. You go and do 6.5. And then 6.5 go around this half of the circle. Basically, you're going to do that two side like exactly like that. So for this side, you're going to go around and you're going to mark exactly the same like the other half circle. First 6.5 inches all around, and then you go out 1/2 inch. So just like that, everyone. So you can have the circle already marked on the back side. I mark on the back side, but I can see from the front side. So now you can see I have the two circle I already placed it in here, and then trace the circle out. It can show on the right side, but if your fabric is thick enough that you cannot see, then you have to wait until after you sew the outer circle, and then you can mark around. I will share with you. All right, now I'm gonna place the right side to the right side. I'm going to leave about, I would do, this is the center, I would leave about 3 or 2.5 inches open. So a quarter of an inch seam allowance, you're gonna sew an outer line all the way down to here and stop. Remember, use the fabric marker so you can see from the, when we inside out, we can see this. If not, you going to wait until after you cut, you sew this, and then you can mark the circle in the center. And this is where we left it open. You're gonna, if you can't see, I suggest you earlier, you can use fabric marker. Now I can see the circle, I have it here. But if you don't see that, then you go into, this is the opening space. You're gonna fold this circle in half. And then you go on to fold it in half again. Now this is the center, and from the center you go on to mark the first line 6.5 inches, so right there, and then you go on around 6.5, 6.5, 6.5 all around, and go on to this side to go out in 6.5 inches all around here. And then after that you go on up 1/2 inch from that 6.5 inches, go out 1/2 inch all around here. If you didn't do that from the beginning, mine already show. So then you have the line like I do, it's showing in here. You can see that I have line that's showing. You going to measure around your head above your ear. Don't stretch it out. Just go around, and whatever is stop, you're gonna cut that. Usually the normal standard size head is between 20 to 22 inches. Okay, let me see it right here. How much is this? That's my head. I wrap around above my ear. I go on one side to the other. So this is 12. Okay, 12 and 10.5. So, well, I have a small head. Oh, well, actually it's not. 22.5. So the first circle, the 6.5 inch circle, you're gonna sew all around it. all the way. And then the second circle, when you come out 1/2 inch, you have to make sure right where the opening from the outer here, outer rim here. You're gonna leave about 1 inch right there. And then you're going to sew from there all the way to here and stop. Leave this open because later on you can add the elastic to here. Alright, so all around, and I left it here open. See that? It's big. This line, when I wash it, it'll come out this easy. So I'm gonna add the elastic to it. I add the clip at the end so it won't lose. I'm gonna go in here and I'll go around this opening space right here, the pocket right here, and I go around this. So when I bring it to here, I make sure it's not twisting. This elastic, this end and this end don't twist. Take this out. You're gonna top the rim all around here. So everyone, the hat is finished after I sew. So I went around and I sewed 1/4 inch all around this rim. It looked beautiful, so pretty. I love the fabric. Look at that. Angel wing. Alright, so let me just put this hat away. We're gonna make the flower, so we're gonna put the flower on the side of the hat. Just put that away. Here I have cut the fabric that last time I used for the wallet. And I cut in here 6 circle of 3 inches circle. So I'm gonna press right in the center. You can use the same fabric if you want, but I just like this because it have all different color, not all but most color in here. So let's just fold this in half. You can just press, no need for you to iron or anything, just do that. One up and ends like this, and then you're gonna sew. And now I'm going to the other side where we started. And then pull. So look at this, I'm finished sewing on the back here, and this is the front, and I'm using the sticky glue, and I'm using this button. I like to use hot glue gun because it dries quicker, but a lot of people don't have it, so I'm showing you how to glue it with this kind of glue. It stays much better. And now you're going to sew this, go into that button holes right there, and then you're going to sew it right onto the hat. Very easy. Just take a fabric from the hat and then go to the holes and coming down and go around till you see that you sew enough and the flower stay in there in the hat. Then you can make a loop, then you come out. So simple, easy, easy. Everyone, I finished the hat. It looks so pretty. Just one thing I want to tell you, if you want a smaller rim, then you can cut this. This is 25 inches. You can go in 23 inches and keep everything the same. Okay, this is wider, so when you look at the picture in my video, you can see it cover the neck so the sun won't go to your face. So this is the finished side of this is 11 inches, and it looks so beautiful. And so look at the picture and see how I wear it. It cover the whole back so the sun won't go to my back. If you go to the beach or you work in the garden, this is the best hat. And it's cute with the flower. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you who support my channel in the past 4 years and continue to do so. Love you. Stay safe. Take care.